Where are you all? What happened here?
It's not us. It's not me. I didn't do it. We didn't do it.
Why are you afraid? Did you disobey me? Answer me.
The woman opened the gates.
Where is she? Did you open up?
No. They tricked me into it.
Oh! What have you done? I left this beautiful creation in your hands to guard and take care of it. And you have disobeyed me. Such a waste of all my effort. Why? Why did you do this, my children? This earth with all its greatness was a gift to you all. All you had to do was guard it and take care of it. But you, my dear children, you have let me down.
God could not bear the agony of man losing everything he had made for him. For he loved him so much. God did not want mankind to just perish. That's not what he made us for. He did not want us to fight with one another over whatever he has given us to take care of.
Father, what is it that worries you so deeply? I see sadness in your eyes, concern over your face. Tell me, Father.
Son, I love this world as much as I love you. You know that, don't you?
Yes, Father, I do.
Son, do you see that the mankind is going to perish? Do you see my creation heading for a disaster?
Father, allow me to go to the mankind and show them your path. Allow me to lead them through your way. Father, allow me to enlighten the mankind. Father, allow me to spread your love for mankind throughout the earth.
My son, my creation, my son.
Then they will accept you as the Son of God. Oh, the great Son of God.
One cannot live on bread alone. Man needs every word that God speaks.
God, who? Listen, we are standing on the highest point. From here, one can see the whole city. If you are God's son, throw yourself down. Go ahead, throw yourself down. For the scripture says, God will order to his angels about you. They will hold you up with their hands, so that not even your feet will be hurt on the stones. Can you do that? Can you do that? You think this is logical? These people, they want reasoning. If you can do that, they will believe you.
But the scripture also says, do not put Lord your God to test.
Well, listen. All this we will give you if you kneel down and worship me. Look, these people, they're ours now. If you obey us, we will give you all these people.
Go away, Satan. My people, my dear people, why have you gone away, my people? You've forgotten the God who delivered you from the bondage of Egypt. Have you forgotten the God who gave manna from the heaven when you were hungry? Have you forgotten the God who quenched your thirst? Have you, my people? Have you forgotten your God who opened a way through the Red Sea to save you? And the light.
Here, people, look at him. You heard him. He has the solution to all your problems. Yet, he is keeping it away from you. He can eradicate your poverty. He can take care of you. And he can make you rich. Show you the way to the whole world richness. Yet, he is keeping you away from all this. He is responsible for your present state. He can save you if he wanted, yet he doesn't. What do you make of it, people? Get him out of your way. Yes, get him out of your way.
Listen, he's calling on the prophet Elijah.
No, he's not calling Elijah.